What's up, world? This your boy Will Willer back at it again with another video. Today I'll be unboxing and showing you guys this new little thing right here. Y'all already know what it is because y'all already seen the title. I already know y'all have. But yeah, I got this beauty today. I watched Avengers Endgame last week, I believe it was last week. And yeah, I had to go ahead and cop these bad boys because Endgame broke me down. It broke my heart, you know. If you haven't seen Endgame already, you're a little late. I know you got time. You can get on Blu-ray. You can watch in the theater, you know, whatnot. But your boy already seen it and had to get these bad boys. So if you don't think that Endgame is that good, they done made me spend a little check on these bad boys right here. You know, so yeah, so you can see on here pretty much, let me see, make sure. So you got Iron Man, Captain America. Let's see. Hey, look, Groot. I think that's Groot. It should be Groot, at least. Let's see. Yeah. So it's only, I'm trying to make sure I see that right. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is only Avengers on here. Yeah, that's definitely Groot, just because I saw dang, can't remember that. I never can remember that raccoon's name. Let me see. Yeah, that's pretty much, yeah. All right, so I'm excited. I saw these pop up online, and I don't really buy many shoes online, like I said. Or maybe I said it, I don't know. But I don't buy many shoes online. And but as soon as I saw these, I knew I had to get them. And these are unlike any other custom. This is like this is from Adidas. It's a Adidas Marvel collab. All right. You seen those Captain America shoes, you know, and like them. I think they New Balances or Converses or whatever. But these right here, this is it. Now, let me go ahead. I know I've been doing too much. I know. Don't worry about it. Get your Marvel everywhere. So these bad boys here. Look at this. Ain't that nice? Got the Captain America shield on the bottom. So if you do cosplay, shoot, you might as well wear these. Look like superhero shoes out here. There we go. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's nice, huh? The lighting probably ain't doing it justice, though. Get it, justice, but it's DC. Justice League is DC, but superhero, you know. But hopefully the lighting is. Hopefully it's just that my brightness is down. Got the Captain America shield on the tongue. Yeah. Adidas. Tell me these don't look like dang superhero shoes. Tell me they don't. Let's see what's on the inside. They might got like a yeah, Marvel Adidas. Let me see. See if I can get that in the light. Yeah, Marvel Adidas. I don't think I'm gonna ever see anybody with any of these. I don't think so. They unique, you know. You just gotta rock them right, you know. And I don't think they're gonna be anybody around here. Beautiful. Cool. All right, cool. Beautiful. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below what you think. Like this video, share this video. We'll catch you guys later. Peace.